Today, I find myself surrounded by my favorite brand of USB microphones, the Thronmax. And the reason I love this brand so much is because they have such a beautiful industrial design and high quality finish. They're made of aluminium and they have RGB lighting incorporated throughout the microphone, which is just a really cool look to have on a gaming desktop if you're streaming. And even if you want to create a podcast with them, I think they have a very distinctive look. So looks aside, I want to talk about all of the features and discuss whether the audio quality is going to be suited for different applications. So to do that, obviously we're going to listen to what they sound like, and you have been listening to the audio of this microphone in the middle, which is the M8 Pro, which is the highest quality of them all that I have here today. And it has 192 kilohertz 24-bit recording. So I'm monitoring it right now through my headphones and it sounds exceptionally clear. It is very adept at picking up a vocal and eliminating room noise. It's a cardioid condenser pattern of microphone. The Pro version has slightly higher, well actually significantly higher kilohertz recording or audio fidelity at 192 kilohertz compared to the 96 kilohertz on the Capsule V8. Whether there's a difference or not that can be discerned by the human ear is up to you. I'm going to let you decide for yourself when I do the comparison test at the end of this video. You also get a noise suppression feature on the Pro version that you don't get on the Capsule V8. But apart from that, they both have volume control adjustments and mute buttons, and the basic functionality is the same. You have the RGB ring at the base of the microphones, and on the M8 Pro, you get much more RGB lighting throughout the rest of the microphones. And of course, as with all Thronmax USB microphones, there's a button on the base of the microphone that lets you change the color of the RGB lighting. So there are the main differences between the two. So if you're wanting the absolute best in audio quality and the added advantage of additional RGB lighting, I would certainly go for the M8 Pro RGB by Thronmax. If you're on a budget and you just want to get the job done, I think you could easily get away with the Capsule V8. Both of them are great microphones. Plug and play, just plug them straight into the USB port of your device and start streaming immediately. The other option you have here is the M30 streaming kit, which is a Capsule V8 microphone, and it also includes the same desktop stand, but in addition to that, you get a boom arm, a very compact boom arm that you can see on this desk here, and you also get a small pop filter. Now we're going to move on to a quick test of the Capsule V8 so that you can hear the difference of audio quality. So as I'm testing this out, let me just say a few more things about the differences. One thing you'll notice is that the stand that this comes with has a lower profile. So with the Pro 8 version, it comes with two options on the stand. You get the basic tripod, which you can attach the microphone to, and that will sit lower, pretty much as low as the V8. Or you can attach this extension arm, which I did for the initial recording, to get the microphone up higher and closer to your voice. So there's the comparison between the two microphones. I hope you enjoyed the video, and certainly if you would like to check out all of the products available by Thronmax, I'm going to leave a link to their website in the description box below. As I've mentioned in the past, I really love this brand for their industrial design combined with high quality recording capability. So I'm always happy to review these products on the channel. And I've also completed a review of the M-Drill 1 and M-Drill Ghost microphones, which are also available for you to view. And I'll leave a link to those in the description box below. In the meantime, if you do have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments box below. See you on the next one. Bye for now.